Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Gmail or Google account without phone number verification. If you've been stuck in that annoying verify your number loop, especially when creating multiple accounts, this method should help. Alright, let's jump right in. First, instead of creating the account through the Gmail app or the Play Store, which is where this issue usually happens, we're going to take a different route. Go ahead and open your phone's settings. Now scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Accounts and Sync. Once you're there, scroll all the way to the bottom and select Add Account. From the list of options, choose Google. You'll now be taken to the Google sign-in page. Here, tap on Create Account and choose the option that applies to you. Now just follow the on-screen steps. Enter your name, date of birth, and other required details. When you reach the password screen, create your password and confirm it. After that, your Google account will be created successfully, and as you can see, no phone number verification is required during this process. One quick tip before you go: once your account is set up, it's a good idea to add a phone number later for recovery and security purposes. And that's it. This is currently the best way to create a Google or Gmail account without getting stuck in the verification loop. If this helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updated methods like this.